I've been waiting for way too long to get my hands on this little beast, so without any further ado, let's just get straight to the unboxing. It had been 2 months since I heard a sound like that, and there's a better one yet to come. Anyhow, we get the usual leaflets with the Apple stickers, followed by the phone itself. Now, as much as I wanted the SE in red, they only had the black in stock, and I just had to get it. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Pure melody. The lightning earpods rest above the lightning cable, and
then you will get this 5-watt charger. As soon as you get it, just throw it in the dustbin. That charger is useless.
Now that everything's out of the way, let me just set up the phone and get back. The first thing that you would obviously notice once you pick up the SE is just how tiny it feels compared to the enormous smartphones in 2020. It's extremely lightweight, a pleasure to use in one hand, and your fingers will appreciate it more than you. Yes, the 4.7-inch display does feel dated with those huge bezels, and if you watch a lot of content, this is not the phone you want to get. The IPS display though is as good as it gets. The thick chin also means you get Touch ID and not Face ID, which honestly in our opinion is more convenient and faster and well safer too. There's no headphone jack of course, but you get the handy mute switch on the aluminum frame. On the back, the Apple logo has now been moved to the center, which looks cleaner, and there's a single 12-megapixel camera on the top left. One of the letdowns of the SE's camera was the fact that Apple did not include night mode from the iPhone 11 series despite having the A14 Bionic chip. However, Neural Camera, an app that you can purchase for Rs 250 or about $3, helps you take much better low-light shots compared to the stock camera. We will be testing out the cameras in details and comparing it with the competition, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our full review. Performance, as expected, is blazing fast on the SE thanks to the A14 Bionic and the fact that it has to push fewer pixels. What doesn't seem very promising though is the battery life. While it's too early to comment, the paltry 1800 mAh cell isn't too reassuring, but we'll have to use it for a few days to determine the real world performance. The iPhone SE retails for $399 or effectively Rs 38,900 if you have an HDFC card here in India, and if you're a sucker for small phones like I am, there's literally no other choice out there. The OnePlus 8 also sells for a similar price, at least here in India, and should offer better value at least on paper, but we'll have to get our hands on the device before making any sort of comparisons. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave them in the comments below and also hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw. Thanks for watching and we'll see you around.